Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to buy the latest laptops, smartphones, books or gadgets from Jarir Bookstore, but prefer to pay later in easy installments? Well, with Tabby you can actually do it. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Tabby in Jarir Bookstore. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So using Tabby at Jarir is very super simple. You just have to simply launch your Tabby mobile application, and over here on the home page you will see this search bar. So you need to simply use this search bar and you need to type Jarir over here. Now once you are able to find the Jarir Bookstore, it will show you how you can use Tabby online as well as in store on Jarir. So here you will see that if you want to use Tabby online, you need to choose Tabby at checkout on Jarir Bookstore's official website or application. Then you need to enter your information and add your debit or credit card. After that, you need to get instantly approved and make the first payment to complete your purchase. So this way you will be able to use it online. But let's say you want to use Tabby in store, so you need to scan the Tabby QR code when you are at the store. Then you need to fill in your details and link any of your debit or credit card to get the approval instantly. After that, you need to show your personal QR to the cashier at the store to pay with Tabby, and this way you will be able to use it in store. So you just have to follow these instructions, and this way you will be able to use Tabby at Jarir.com or Jarir Bookstore. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.